In this video, I will discuss another type of attack on DNS called DNS zone transfer. It is actually a replication process between two servers, master server and a slave server, in where the slave server requests a copy of the zone file from the master server, and depending on the configuration of the master server, a transfer might take place or not. Looking here at the screen, you can see that a zone transfer is configured to take place only to the following server with its IP address. A misconfiguration here might take place if you select any server. Thus, anyone requesting the zone file will be able to get it. Unfortunately, some companies, they misconfigure their internal and external DNS namespaces so that if this is misconfigured on this DNS server and you request a zone transfer, you'll be able to get a full map of the network. Thus, it's a very important piece of information to start with a network attack. The information that might be revealed from a DNS attack or DNS reconnaissance are these types of records. Start of authority, name server, any hosts configured on the DNS, canonical names, pointers, MX records, etc. So having this information is actually very important before starting any type of attack. So let's go directly to our Kali machine here and do a live example. I'll use a tool called DNS Recon, which is an advanced DNS enumeration script. It is written in Python and it's mainly used for DNS reconnaissance. It can enumerate DNS records, it can perform the zone transfer, and it can perform as well reverse lookups. You can invoke it by typing DNS Recon and you can type help. You'll be able to get all the help needed to invoke this script, such as the -n refers to invoking or mentioning the name server, R providing a range of IPs to do the reverse lookups, D is to provide a file with all the domains and subdomains of host names. What else? Another important parameter here is the A is to perform AX of R with standard enumeration. Actually, it's to perform the zone transfer. AX of R stands for a query for zone transfer. Let's go directly to example here. Use DNS Recon and the -d parameter stands for domain. I'll use a domain called zone transfer.me and invoke it. So here you can see that it's performing the DNS reconnaissance. It gets all the information about the SOA record, the name servers, the MX records, all of this information, as well as this TXT record, which is actually mainly used to preserve the originality of sending emails and the privacy of your domain. Do a further example here by using the -a parameter, which is perform a zone transfer to the same domain. As you can see here, it will take some time, but actually you can see that zone transfer has been done successfully. Okay, it's over. So let's go back to the beginning of this script here. So now it revealed the SOA record, the name server record. So it actually revealed two name servers. What this script will do is actually to loop through these name servers and get all the records associated with the name server. So here it's trying name server, the first name server, and this is all the information associated. Going further, this is the second name server, and this is all information of the records as well. So happy enumerating.